So guys, as you know, I got these dragon eggs. And you can see right here, one of them is missing. It's because I already did a review on that one. So, let's check out the rest. Today I'm going to open the purple and dark blue one. Open again. Let's open it. Whoa! I've never actually seen this one before. Where do I go? Take a good look on that. Bro, look at the head. Good. It looks like way more detailed in real life, but in the camera, probably not so much. Okay, whatever. But it is pretty cool, so I'm gonna get it set up how I got the other one set up. It's gonna be climbing out. The baby ones. Still trying to get out. Baby one's already out. Alright, and that was all I have time for a review, so where's the rest? Where's the rest? Oh, I don't know. Anyways, goodbye. See you later.